This one, the Fun Factory, this one is huge. It's 3 stories high. I'm gonna see if we're able to go inside and maybe if I can film a walkthrough on this one. Until then, here's all the artwork. All right, let's see how this one goes. That one's all shaky. We have a spinning floor, but we're waiting for a lion. Scarlet. Oh my God. All right, let's see. These are hard to. Some hard stairs. Jennifer, not saying bye to me here. Hold on, Scarlett. Having a hard time? All right, now we're 3 stories high. Jennifer! Jen! Wait for me. I couldn't film going down that slide, but man, I am dizzy. Man, it still goes. All right, they have the vortex tunnel. All right, these are hard to go. I am dizzy from that slide. Yeah, be careful, Scarlett. It's hard. I didn't know it was gonna go. Wow, the other ones didn't work this slide.
No, I almost fell.
All right, was that fun, Scarlett?
No, I almost fell.
Man, that thing is huge. Look at it. There was that slide. I didn't think I was gonna fit inside there. It's a big slide. Well, anyways, that's a POV walk-on of the Fun Factory. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more future attractions.